Hello and welcome to this episode of Microchips, and on the bench today we have a customer's Colt 320 FM Black Shadow SSB radio, which should be a Cybernet 121 chassis, 120 channel sideband, basic, but looks good. So let's get it open and let's get some modifications done to it with all the necessary mods we need to do. So radio's in not bad condition really, and we open it up and it's absolutely perfect inside, which is nice. Doesn't look like it's been mutilated in any way. Quick look round, everything looks good, everything looks standard, everything looks tidy. So very nice. Let's have a look at the print side. And yeah, a couple of things been done to this by the looks of it. The usual mess around the Darlington. Looks like somebody's been around the outputs some time of its life, but okay. Apart from that, everything else is good. So customers complaining of bad power output. So you can see between the bands it's not very level. So going from high band to low band, you can see it's all over the show. So low band, mid band, high band. So yeah, it's very uneven. So we need to get that sorted. Should just be a little bit of alignment. So adjusting these cans as per the service manual. I managed to get this leveled out a little bit more. Now these only do 4 and a bit watts on FM anyway, but there's through the bands, nice and level. Managed to get 5 out the top end. So yeah, that's that done. Now next thing is the bias on the final, and as you can see it's terrible. 0.4 of a volt, needs to be around 0.7. So yeah, we're going to have to change R40 and R44. Let's get that bias correct. And also R150 needs to be done. Change to a 5.6K, so we'll get rid of R150. And we'll take out R40 and R44 and replace those. And with the multimeter with the dead key on sideband, there's our 0.7 of a volt on the base of the final. So excellent, that final output should be performing correctly now. So let's have a look on the two-tone for the shape of the waveform. A couple of little adjustments. Everything's looking good, just how it should be. So very nice, everything's now correctly biased. Let's move on. So SSB boost, change R66 to 5.6K. So now we're just having a look at some of the frequencies. So 10695 was good. 10692 is now good. So that's our offset. Let's go back and just double check it. Yeah, everything's good now. Excellent. Let's have a look at the other important frequencies. So 21035 is good. And the 10240 is bang on. So that requires no further adjustment. So now for the mods. So we fitted a volt feed VCO on this to stable out the VCO voltage. And the weapon of choice for this will be the microchips 5kc board. So this board gives you minus 5kc, plus 10kc and UK40. So that's in place. And whilst I was taking the front off, of course, the metalwork starts to come away. So I'll pop a little bit of glue behind that to secure it back into place. Now what I've done here to switch the UK40, I've removed one of the crystals, removed one of the inductors, used the actual wire from the band switch and dropped it with a 10k. So we've kept the original band switch, the 3 position, so it's now mid-high UK40. And we've also unlocked the clarifier as well. So that requires D7 and R18 removing. Clarifier done. Now for the UK40 drop, instead of using the clarifier, because it just wasn't going down just enough, I decided to pop on one of my frequency boards neatly on the back of the crystal board. And we've also fitted a high gain 5 beep in there as well, just for good measure. All neatly wired up, all looking very tidy, everything bang on frequency. So, hope you enjoyed this quick video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, join the Facebook group, and we'll see you in the next video.